Ready to build your dream mansion? From epic gaming rooms to luxury showers, you'll get 3 awesome choices in every round, but you can only pick one. So get comfy, have fun, and imagine your ultimate lifestyle. Don't forget to like, comment your pics, and subscribe for more dream challenges. Before we go, let's give a big shout out to our legendary viewers who commented on the last video. Your love and support brought me back to this channel after 25 days away. You're the reason I'm creating again. Want a shout out? Comment your pics and I'll feature you next time. Let's get started. Let's start with a big one. Choose your mansion. Now, where would you sleep? Choose your bedroom. Fresh and fancy? Choose your shower. Knock knock. Choose your dream door. Choose your toilet. Choose your challenge. Sharing or solo? Choose your bunk bed. Drive like a boss. Choose your car. Yes, even this matters. Choose your toilet paper holder. Going up in style? Choose your staircase. Hungry yet? Choose your kitchen. Choose your sofa bed. Time to spoil your furry friend. Choose your pet's house. Gamers, assemble. Choose your gaming room. family time. Choose your living room. Sit back and relax. Choose your garden chair. Step in comfort. Choose your rug. Furry, feathery, or fluffy? Choose your pet. Let the fun begin. Choose your playground. Step outside. Choose your porch. Shine bright. Choose your lamp. Now that you've built your dream mansion, what did you pick? Drop your favorite combo in the comments, hit that like button if you had fun, and don't forget to subscribe for more dream house adventures. See you in the next one.